Hello everyone, this is Srikanth and recently I've been working a lot on Google Sheets and a lot of automations. We're working on course files, we're working on a lot of other stuff and trying to automate it as far as possible, trying to make it easy for the faculties to complete their work without much problem. So here is one such Excel sheet wherein we have done the automation of result analysis. You might be knowing that universities provide the result in this particular format and have taken this format. I'm calling this as the raw data, and as soon as this raw data is provided from the university, the result analysis will be automatically generated in this particular format. You can see it provides the number of students, absentees, those who failed, those who passed, and also along with the pass percentage. A detailed graph here you can see that will also be generated, showing the different grades that the students obtained in different subjects. And you see there are different symbols which are marking the different designs. On the right side here you can see for each subject the marks distribution, the number of students distribution is provided. You can change the subject by clicking here, and you can see for every subject that you choose, you will continue to get the different graphs showing all the marks distribution. Below here, because we have done the automatic calculation of the different grades and how many students got each of these grades, and based on this the graph is generated here as this. Apart from this graph, I have also made the option to see the pass percentage for the same subjects, overlapping this graph. On the right side you can see the percentage scale here, and this line here is another overlapping chart which is showing the pass percentage in each of the subjects that the students have obtained. Moving further, you can see here the grades obtained by each of the students in different subjects have also been generated here, along with the CGPA appearing on the left side to conveniently understand each of the students analysis. This is about the regular subjects, and talking about the supplementary subjects, that data also the file is able to generate. You can see that there are so many different subjects that the students have written supplementary exams for, and for all of these the similar result analysis has been generated along with the curve. The curve is of course showing the detailed grades obtained by number of students, and also there is an overlapping graph in this one which is showing the percentage pass percentage that the different students have obtained in each of the subjects. So this is it for now, and if you will similarly be working on a similar result analysis for JNTU if time permits me, and let me know if your university is providing the data in some other format, and if you want automation of these sheets, I will definitely try to work out a solution for you so that you can just copy paste the raw data into this file and get the results ready-made available to you. Thanks for watching this, and goodbye.